The packaging is sleek and modern with a clean design that hints at premium quality. Opening the box, you'll immediately notice the speaker itself nestled securely within the protective foam. Inside, you also get a USB-C charging cable and a quick start guide, everything you need to get up and running quickly. The ULT Field 1 features a redefined minimalist design with a rugged finish ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The Sony ULT Field 1 speaker delivers an immersive, well-balanced sound with crisp highs, detailed mids, and a solid punchy bass that fills the room. Whether you are hosting a backyard party or enjoying your favorite tracks on the go, its advanced connectivity and impressive battery life ensures a seamless portable experience.